In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change WordPress theme. So without any time wastage, let's jump here. First, you need to log in on WordPress dashboard, then going on plugin, then click on install plugin. So I'm using Astra theme. Then you can see this is a starter template. So this is Astra theme own template. So just going here, then you are find out lots of theme here already available. So just click on build with template. So you can see this is a theme option. You can choose any one. Then I choose this theme already. So now if I want to change it to another one, you can see this is a portfolio personal portfolio theme. So I want to install this one. Just click on here, install, then click on continue, then again click on skip this step. I skip it because if I fill up this option, this video will be very long. So just click on build with my website. You need to few seconds for whole processing your data. Then after few seconds you will see and you are imaging this result with this result. So I'm waiting few seconds for this result. Wow, congratulations, my website are ready for view. So I want to visit my website right now. You can see it's already done. So actually I have not any content in my website before. Then I convert this theme. Then it's look like very professional. Now if you want to customize this theme, just click on customize, then add your logo, then add anything here. So this is the method you can change your theme on WordPress website. So if you don't understand how to doing this work and how to doing professionally, just go to my video description. Then I will attach in my one link. Then going here, then go to fiverr.com. Here the lots of professional, they are waiting for you and they are really interested working with you, and they are build your WordPress, then any others business and website, etc. You can see here is the programming and tech, e-commerce website development. If I going here, you can see here is a lots of professional, they are waiting for you actually. So you need only spend $10 to $20, then hire someone, they are working for you. So this is a method you can change a theme on WordPress website. So if you have any questions, please comment below, and if you have found this video helpful for you, subscribe and like this video. See you again, take care, goodbye.